2024 Mini Countryman. This is the brand new Minis. This is a demonstration on the Ghost on how to go in and out of service mode, plus changing your password. So on this vehicle, all I must do is on here, switch it 3 times. The ignition comes on. Down here, I'm going to enter my existing password. I'll get my 2 confirmation beeps. All I'm going to do is put my foot straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the password again. I keep holding until I see the flash. There we go. So with this car, one thing you're going to notice, you have to, if you're changing the password, you have to switch it on, put your password, foot down and password straight away. If you leave it for around about 10 seconds, it won't go into its learning mode. It will just obviously not register that button anymore. So all we're going to do is, once we're in the service mode, we're now going to change the password. This time I'm going to change it to the plus. So I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, my 2 confirmations. I'll do it again.
From fast track tickets to iconic attractions to local hidden gems.
The last confirmation's there. So once that's finished there, what I'm going to do is switch the vehicle off. And that is now your new password. So all I'm going to do, I put my foot on the brake and start the engine. I'm going to try the new password.
Till the roof's fixed. Till we get our deposit.
There you go. So that's the new password working. If I ever want to change it to service mode, as you can see here on the stick, we have a rear demister. I'm going to press it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the engine on. And what it will do is it will now flash 5 times down here to let you know you're in service mode. So all I'm going to do is switch it off. And then once I've collected the vehicle now from the dealership or wherever you're dropping it to, I'm going to now start the engine, foot on the brake and start. And I'm just going to enter the original password again. And it will give me my 2 confirmation flashes. And that's it. And that's all back to normal.